This tutorial concerns pre-proceedings, steps and protocols. Although the underlying facts of every claim will differ, it is possible to identify a basic checklist of pre-trial considerations to which regard should be had prior to the commencement of court proceedings. Pre-action analysis of a claim. Whether advising a claimant or defendant client, it is essential to ensure that your client is fully advised as to the merits of their position, the jurisdiction of the English court, limitation, any steps which must be taken prior to the commencement of proceedings, the procedural steps involved in court proceedings, the cost of court proceedings, and the recoverability of any sum ordered to be paid to your client by any other party. Pre-action advice must also include any injunctive relief that may be necessary, the need for expert and witness evidence, the steps likely to be taken during the course of proceedings, and information on funding, adverse costs liability, and enforcement. A failure to advise your client on each point may be a professional conduct issue. This tutorial will address each of these pre-proceeding steps in turn, with some steps being covered in more detail in later tutorials.